In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a filter drop-down in Tableau. If you're looking to enhance the interactivity of your Tableau visualizations, creating a filter drop-down is a wonderful way to allow users to customize their view, making the data insights more personal and relevant. Let's work through the process step by step. First, we'll start by launching the Tableau application. Open up Tableau on your computer to access your workbook. Once the application is up and running, navigate to the specific worksheet where you want to add the filter. Here, I'm going to demonstrate how to add a filter to a map worksheet, but this method works with other types of worksheets too. Now, in your worksheet, decide which field you want to use to filter your data. For this example, I'll be using the region dimension. Simply drag the region field and drop it onto the filters shelf. This action brings up a filter dialog box. Once you're in the filter dialog box, you'll see several options. Click on the drop-down menu within this box. It will show you different selection methods for your filter. Let's select all regions for now by clicking on Use All. This ensures that initially, all data will be visible in your visual, but it can be narrowed down as needed by the user. After setting your filter criteria, click on the Apply button and then OK to finalize these choices. With that done, your filter is now configured within the worksheet, but we need to make it available for users to interact with. For that, return to the worksheet view. Locate and click on the drop-down menu again for the field you've just added to the filter, and select Show Filter from the options. This action will display the filter control on the right-hand side of your dashboard. By clicking the drop-down menu in the filter pane, you'll see options like Single Value, List, or Multiple Values drop-down. For our purposes, choose the Multiple Values drop-down option to create an interactive drop-down filter. Now, if you're working on a dashboard rather than an individual sheet, remember you can also add filters there. Just go to your dashboard and click on More options in the top right corner. Select Filters, then choose the dimension or measure you wish to filter by, like region. After that, if needed, you can make this filter movable by selecting the Floating option from its drop-down menu. A floating filter is not locked to a specific location on the worksheet, giving you more flexibility in its placement within your workspace. And there you have it. You've successfully added a filter drop-down to your Tableau visualization, enhancing interactivity and user experience. Feel free to explore and experiment with different filter settings to see what works best for your data needs.